What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Dodge Challenger remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the SRT or the Hellcat versions of the Challenger, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if I hold my key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, this notch right here, this slot right here, is where that emergency key just slid out of. And then directly below that we see this notch or slot right here. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and just put it on that notch. Push it in as far as it will go, only goes in about that far. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. I'll come over here and same thing. Once the case is far enough apart, go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. For this part, I'll grab my screwdriver again and get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to start this edge in first that has this little metal battery clip. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.